Hello and welcome viewers. Today I've got you another quick and easy recipe for muffins that are packed with both flavor and texture. These muffins are very delicious and you and your family will love this for breakfast. Okay, so to make this you'll need half a cup of softened unsalted butter, half a cup of sugar. Beat those until they are nice and creamy. Remember, I have all the ingredients listed in the description box as well, so you could get the entire list there. Now add in the eggs and continue beating until the mixture is smooth and creamy, about a minute to 2 minutes. Now add in the star of the show, which is sour cream. So I'm using a cup of sour cream. You could also use a cup of plain yogurt. Now add in the vanilla extract, a teaspoon of that, and then beat the mixture until it's again nice and smooth. Remember to scrub your bowl occasionally to get everything mixed nicely. Now set it aside and let's make the dry ingredient mixture. 1 3/4 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk those together, and then you're going to sift them onto the wet ingredient mixture. And now you're going to use a whisk to just mix this, and we do not want to overmix. So as soon as everything is absorbed, you stop mixing and you're ready to add in the blueberries. I'm using a cup of blueberries already toasted in flour. Fresh blueberries, but frozen ones would work as well. You probably don't need to toast the frozen ones. I always use fresh blueberries and I always toast them in flour, about just a teaspoon of flour. Now fold them in very gently, and as soon as they are equally distributed throughout, set that aside. And now let's make that crumb topping, which is really, it elevates the whole thing so much. So these are the ingredients for the crumb topping, again listed in the description box. Combine everything together, just a pinch of salt there. Combine all of them, and then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter again. And then you could use your hands here, or you could use a fork or a spatula, and just mix everything until it is looking nice like this, and it's ready to go onto the muffins. Now line your muffin tray, your muffin tin with with the cups, and then divide up your butter equally. It fits nicely onto these 12 cups. And then top with some more blueberries, about half a cup, and then you're going to place the crumb topping, distribute it generously and uniformly across the muffin cups. Just have the entire surface covered, and as they rise up, they are going to look really good. Now you're going to bake your muffins at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, and they will be ready. This is a very easy peasy recipe. Now allow them to cool a little and they are ready to enjoy. They go into the fridge, or freezer leftovers, and you can use them later. But yeah, it's packed with moisture, very delicious. You can imagine all those combinations of ingredients. I hope you love this recipe, and I can't wait to see you in another of my videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye bye.